thought on its past. It's been absolutely bucketed now for the last couple of days. The sun is shining, the tank is clean. Just gonna get some paint on this bad boy. Whoa. It was definitely a stormy one last night. But the sun's coming out and we should be on. Got a nice big canvas to try and punch out today. Strike while the iron's hot. Everything's pumping. Everybody love the sunshine. Hopefully another morning of Coro Gold happening. Those southwesterlies are a bit sharp. They got some jaws. I know old Shane Jones and Winnie P and all that crew want to start mining again in this beautiful part of the world, but you just look around and see what the mining was back then. Like, it's left a ghost, it's left scars everywhere, and people have moved on. Rip big holes in the mountains and find some special rock that us humans like because we like shiny things, and then just leave it like tombstones. You know, it just reminds me of the dwarves of Lord of the Rings or something, you know. They're just like a bit possessed by something that doesn't really mean much in the scheme of things. It does look a bit like the River Thames now, doesn't it? Like, let's call it Thames, alright? Jesus Christ, I've just stopped for a pee stop and it's going off up here. Like, it's such a crack up picnic stop area or whatever you call them, and you park right at the top and then there's a massive private farm, probably right where the best view in the whole world is, but you walk along the side of the road here without too many cars flying by and you actually get the full vista. Nice little old Pahudakawa with the tree bed, and got to be ready for spontaneity, and like, I'm pretty sure this is much more beautiful than what I'd see at the beach. The beach would be nice, but this is just... Whoa. Do you think?
Does anybody move to the UK when you can live here?
I know, I know.
I don't understand this.
Well, I mean, yeah, it's very far away, I guess. It's probably the only thing for a lot of people, but once you're here, it's got everything you need, eh?
And UK is currently not the best place to live.
No. Kick back, relax. Spread it out with some linseed, I reckon, today. French ultramarine, cad yellow, a windsor red, burnt sienna, and cobalt turquoise. I'm getting sunburnt off this reflection area down here. Get some lines drawing into the scene. Got some nice little gullies coming off this field, this slope. Lots of pines over here pointing you down into the estuary. Marshmallow Island going all the way out to the horizon. Get a lovely cool blue shade on days like this. There is a sort of calmness to the chaos, thankfully.
It was a very interesting story. It's Barry Prickle. He was a famous potter from New Zealand.
Yeah.
I googled it because he did really nice things, and he decided to do this because he need to have these I don't know the English word, the material for the pottery. So
the clay or whatever.
Yeah, the clay. Yes. Yeah. And he decided to plant. It was an area which was from farming and coal mining, so really ugly. And he decided everywhere where he put some clay out, he put a plant in. Yeah,
giving back to the environment, but also taking from it. Yeah, because a lot of people just take and don't give back at. Sometimes if you get a bit too deep into YouTube, start listening to too many podcasts and making you think about little things in life. What really are the lines on the grassy hills? Are they from sheep? Are they from erosion? Are they from a flood? Is it just a combination of all of them? But here they make for useful perspective lines.
Oh my goodness, that's lovely. That's lovely.
Cheers.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
That's beautiful.
It's easy when you've got a view like that though.
So how long does a painting of that size take you?
Not too long, maybe 2.5 hours, because the light would have changed too much. So yeah.
We're holding you up.
Oh, that's alright. So many beautiful slopes and shades. Those rolling grassy hills Lots of parasites, hobbit holes, and sheep country. All just turned into farmland now, really. It's a nice fresh beef for your muck chicken. But I'm not mad. Probably get one on the way home. Just gotta support it somehow.
Nó kỳ lắm chị. Cái biểu hiện con cừu nó mập mờ lắm. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Very, very beautiful.
thank you.
The original and the painting.
Yeah, exactly. In fresh air with all the bugs on it.
Ah.
It's allowed to take a picture from you in
Yeah.
front of...
Yeah, go for it.
Yes?
Yeah.
No, no. A picture in a picture.
Yeah. You know, if you've got the small brush out, you're pretty much done, eh? Just drove off without picking up the painting. That'd have been so awkward. Out there, eh?
Yeah, man.
Still some good sets.
Yeah, there is some good seats still coming through.
It just looks flat and then it starts pumping, eh? It's mean. Yeah. Silvery. Golden light now. You know what time it is. Forgot my towel, eh? Got a little cold one. I reckon I've got one more in me. Hopefully some Coro Gold. Straight in with some shadows. Sandflies. Oh. Got the sandfly dance going. Helping me speed up. Get golden. A handful of brushes. Holy, done for the day. Good? Oh, thank you. See ya, nice to meet you too. See ya. Bye. Glad I got that one in. It's always tricky trying to get the light with lots of brushes, but it just shows if you just push through, you know, and you've got to get through the whole self-promotion thing, which is why I'm standing here talking to my camera. It helps as an artist these days. You can't just rely on painting and hiding them in your closet. You've got to get out there and really show the world and get in front of strangers and tell them your name and your website. But yeah, no, it's always lovely meeting new people and it's a good conversation starter, that's for sure. Like, you get a lot of people just walking by and they kind of can't help themselves but say, oh yeah, I'll get on you, or whatever. Ngā mihi nui, Coro. Cheer. Yeah. Whoa. Holy.